Students of class 10th student, as we are reading the unit 2nd word processing intermediate, and today we will read about session 7, insert graphical objects and illustrations. Children, in this session we try to understand about the graphical objects like clip art, word art, and pictures, symbols, and such graphicals related images. We try to understand to insert in our document, how to insert and what are the process to insert these things in our document to make attractive and effective. The children's, let here start with this video. I mean, this is a practical video. By looking this video you can do the practical at your home, and I believe you you will do properly and thoroughly everything what I try to show you. The childrens, let's start to see here about this video. Here student, you can see this is the icon of MS Word, and if you don't find this icon on your desktop you can go by the start button as it is given in the left side corner. You click on that and you will get the Microsoft folder here, and click on and you select the Microsoft Office 2010 or 13, whatever you have the version. Now here we get this screen on our mobile here, or you can see this is here the quick access toolbar, lets you to do work quickly, and here we find some tabs here as a different tabs it is here given. The file header, the first of all student, we will interact with the intro of the word. Maybe some student know or not about that, so we find here as a sum ribbon, as a if you click on any tab you will get a sum ribbon here as a such a icon and options also. This is a vertical ruler, this is a by you can set manually, and this is a horizontal ruler. You can set the margin of the page by dragging outside, I mean right side and left side, and here it is a vertical scroll bar. By this moving you can move your page up and down, and here we find the horizontal scroll bar, and now it is a status bar here. You can find also this is a minus, I mean minimize button. It is looking like as a minus, you can minimize on the taskbar, and this is a maximize and restore down button. So if you as a click this, now it is a maximize, and it is a close. If you want to quit from the application you can click on this close button. So this way we can move from outside. And here we find the sum view as a print view, page layout view. As you can see, if you want to set the print layout, you want click here full screen reading, and here web layout and draft outline view. So here student, we find the many views related to our document. This is a zoom out and zoom in, that is called the magnify. It is given in the plus and minus sign. So zoom out, zoom in means you can increase the view and decrease the view according to your needs. So student, here we find the working area, that is called the document area, where we can type, where we can save our matter. So here student, you can see the margin. If you go upside with the here the ruler, so we get here the margin. We can set the margin manually by dragging downward, upward these ruler indents. So here student, if you want to write anything, if you want to save anything, so we write here something like here my school name is St. Paul's as you can write any name here, as a, for the example, such a kind of the name of the school or matter, because I want to show here the name. To click on the file menu and select what you will select, save option. Okay, save option you will select. For the saving, where you want to save, you will select that location and write the name of your file, by which name you want to save with your file. So we write here the name of the school and click on the here save button. So as here given the name of the file, and after that we find here as a save button also here, as you can use the shortcut key for saving the document, control plus S here, and we find here icons also. Now student, as you can see here, if you want to open or you create a new file, the as a blank, click on the as a new file, and here we find the blank document. Okay, so for the as a creating the blank document, new document, we will select this and click on the create option here, and if you click or double click on that, automatically that will be opened here as same here. So now student, you can see here, this is the our cursor blinking here, and now we will see here the insert tab, because we will use, because we have to insert the shapes, I mean our clip art. The clip art, for as a click on insert menu and select the clip art option, and now we get here the clip art pan. Here whatever you want to search box, it will let you open, as only if you click on the search you will get the many clip arts here as a image, that is a GIF file it is a called. So if you want to search any particular like car, okay, so we will write here car and click on go button. So as we click, we get here the car image, and now you want to insert, double click on that, or you can click on the insert button as a drop down given. So here we get the as a car, you find here the handle bar also. Handle you can increase and decrease the handle of it is given. You can rotate also, this button let to rotate of your images. You can move like this way here, it means zigzag way, or you want to set the picture in which way, you can set by this is rotator button. And now here we find the style, picture style you get from the here format tab. As you select the picture, automatically format tab activated. Now you can select any style for your picture, as you get here the picture border, picture effect, and picture layout you can use for the editing of your clip art images. So student, here we find the clip art images, and we can set, we can here as a move, not like move but as a moving for the as a in the document from the, we will select the wrap text option and select any through or square or any option for moving our image on the document. Means if you want to place this image anywhere, so you can set like this. Now here click on the insert tab. Now we as a select here picture, if you want to insert the picture, to select the picture option, and if where you have kept that picture, select like as I have kept in the downloads, so we click here the downloads, or if you have kept anywhere, you can select that drive or location. And now we will select here the picture option, click on the picture, and now click on that insert. So this way we can insert the option here, and now we can as a increase or decrease the as a picture by as a handle, okay, resize handle. And as you select, you can select the picture style for your desired style, okay, so select the picture and click on the desired picture style. So this way we can as a give the different way, different as a look. So now if you want to move your picture also, so you will select from the wrap text option, through or tight or square, anything. if you want to move. So now student, we want to hear the crop. The cropping as a such a option, it delete or remove the unnecessary part from the picture. The cropping, as a click on select the picture and click on the format, and here we find the crop option. If you want to crop by the shape, means if you want to set your picture in any shape, you can select from any shape here. And if you want to set by the fill or fit to screen, so you can set by the fit the screen as a select here and cut your unnecessary part of your picture. Okay, so this children, we cut the unnecessary part of picture by the cropping and select and give the style for your picture. We can select here any style from the picture style. So this way student, we can select any format, any style for our picture from the picture styles in given the format tab. So now student, we get here the as a word art. So inserting the word art, select here the word art, and you can select any pattern for writing, heading, or fancy text. Okay, if you want to give the good looking or fancy looking of your text, you will select the word art. Now as you select the word art, your text here will be written here, and now you will write your text. What do you want to show in your document with a fancy way? Okay, the like a pigeon, I write here the pigeon, and we set the as a anywhere in the document by selecting the handlebar, and we can rotate also by this rotator, and we can increase or decrease by okay selecting this handle size and resize. And if you want to fill okay text or here the outline, you can select these three option as a given. The as a first here text fill, if you want to fill the text inside the outline, the here text fill, click on this and palette color will be open. And if you want to select any color okay inside the text, you can select an outline, you can select the other outline or other color for outline of your text. And it is a text effect is a given the shadow as a reflection, glow, revert, 3D rotations, transform. So here we can select any kind of here the effects, text effect for our text, for our word art. If you want to edit, to double click on this. Okay, if you want to edit your text and we want to write here the pigeon, to double click on this way you, and now cursor will be there and you can write now your new text. So here we write, place the cursor before the pigeon, we want to write here the white. So as a select the place where you want to write to here white pigeon. Okay, student, this way we can set the handle set the as a text of space by selecting the handlebar here. This is a handlebar, and this way we set the as a word art as a given with the picture. So student, today we understood here how to set the picture word art. Now student, we will insert the shapes. So we will understand here from clicking the insert tab, click on the insert tab and click here the shape icon, and we get here the many shapes related here. The as you can see, line as a blank space, as a block arrows. So we can select any types of the shapes here. So selecting here the smiley face. Okay student, okay children, we select here the many any shape here given the callouts, stars and banners. So we will select here the smiley face and select and drag in your document as we here select. Now you want to fill the color. As you select that shape, automatically format tab will be activated and we select any color for our desired shapes. Okay, you can choose the more here from drop down. It is the outline shape here, outline color for the shape, and it is a fill the shape here. So this way student, we can fit the color by the choosing here. And if you want to apply the 3D effects for your shape, so we can select here the 3D effects for our shape here. And if you want to group with other shape. Means suppose like you want to join two shape with each other, so you can do this. Okay, first we have to insert the next shape here. So click here the insert, and here select the shapes option. This time we select the arrow. Okay, here as a, okay, we can take any here kind of the arrow like this way, and drag and drop it. This way we create here and fill the color. And now we want to join with these two shape with each other. What we have to do, select those shapes and right click on that, okay, any shapes here, and you will get here the grouping option. Click on the grouping and select the group option. So now this shape will be grouped with each other here. You will drag this shape, so both shape will move. Here you can see student, this way we can group both shape with each other here. Ungroup, right click and grouping option, we this time find here the ungroup option here. So this way student, we can as a move anywhere here and there, you can find this way here. Student, after ungrouping we can move the shapes in a separately. As you can see here, we can move the now shape separately because it is separated to each other. Now next student, we will learn here to insert the symbols. For inserting the symbols, what we will click, we will click here insert tab, and this time we will select here the symbols group. It is a symbol option here providing here the many symbols given, but if you don't find your according your symbols, so click on more symbols, and here we find the many symbols related to anyone. The like here symbols related to the any symbol, like here the copyright symbol, select and insert here. So this way student, we can insert the symbols also, and symbol is a special sign. Okay, and now you can increase, select the symbol and you can increase. And thank you for watching this video.